Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop, and quick review lang tayo ng unit ni Sir Sian. Glock 17 double bell, Glock 17 semi-automatic. So, ito siya guys. Yung unit, Glock 17 double bell. Ayan. So sa double bell, kailangan mong tanggalin tong maglip para malagyan natin ng gas. Ayan. Okay. Then pagbabalik, ano lang, baba mo lang to, tapos pasok. Okay. Lagyan natin ng bibis. Yan. Okay, Sir Sian, meron na siyang sa double bill kasi meron na siyang kasamang hard case, no? Yung case. Tapos meron na rin siyang cleaning rod, meron na rin siyang extra na loading nozzle. Tapos meron kang free na 0.23 grams 4,000 shots. And meron na rin ikaw free na green gas. Okay, standard number 12. So ito yung unit mo, sir, Glock 17 double bell. Ayan, semi-automatic. Okay, so test fire natin, sir, no? Test fire natin unit mo. Glock 17, unit ni Sir Sian. Okay. So, ito na po, Sir Sian, unit mo, sir, Glock 17 double bell. Meron na yan gas, meron na rin bibis. Yun ang ating target. So, this is semi-automatic, no? Yung mga full automatic natin, guys, Glock 18, Glock 23, Glock 26, Glock 35. Okay, sa Glock 17, semi-automatic. So, ito. Ready to fire. Firing. Okay, so nag-open slide na. Release the magazine. And then, press down this one or atakin mo lang, release. Ayan, okay. Sir Sian, okay na po yung unit mo, sir. Thank you for choosing 5th generation Hobby Shop. Okay, if you have more question, message lang sa aming page, 5th generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.